Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Health Forensics, and we're here to do a final review on this experiment. Now, this experiment involved growing Dieffenbachias with magnets, and they are very high-powered rare earth magnets in each pot. As you can see, most of the plants have died. We have one still alive. We're going to take a little look at this one that's still alive. And these were all Dieffenbachias, and the Dieffenbachia has leaves that are the size of your hand. Clearly, we have something much smaller here. So it's also shiny. It's lost all of its patterning. It's gone dark green. It's gone retarded to a very small leaf, and has this very glossy look to it, which the Dieffenbachia typically does not have. So this looks like a radio frequency retarded plant, and that's why we originally started this experiment, because this plant has been grown in a high-powered radio wave field that comes from radio frequency transmitters. There's 3 of them in this area, about 2,000 to 2,300 feet away, so antenna towers is what we're talking about. There's also radio frequency utility meters installed throughout the community, and also there is a microwave security alarm sensor installed into the home. So there's quite a lot of radio frequency exposure going on with this plant. And the idea of the magnets was to see if we could offset that radio frequency exposure by changing the electromagnetic field with a high power magnet. As you can see, we actually got something quite different in the fact that rather than the plants just deforming and staying alive, they all died. And this one is alive, but it's actually the second plant. If we look at the label, you can see that the first plant actually was planted in June 2013 and it died in August 2014 when it was replaced. And that was a feature of this experiment, so I had to keep on replacing plants in it. So let's take a little look at the magnet orientation that we used. So this one was the north orientation, so the magnet is placed into the base of the plant with its north pole facing up, and the entire roots and plant are in a north field from that magnet. We have the opposite here, and again you can see on the label this one was replaced because it died. So we put the magnet in the base with the south pole facing up, and the whole plant was in the south pole field. Now in this one we put the plant into a split magnetic field with the roots in one field and the plant on the other half of the field. So there's the magnet. We placed it on the soil, and it had its south pole facing up and its north pole facing down, and the plant died. And this is the opposite, so the north pole was facing up and the south pole facing down. There's the corroded magnet right there, and the plant died. And this one was a split field, so what we did, we actually put the magnet so that it was a half field. So one side was the south pole and the other side was the north pole. And again, the plant died. So plant death in this experiment was a big feature, which was surprising. So I've come to the conclusion, based on what I saw in this experiment, that you want to keep your distance from these high-powered rare earth magnets, and you most certainly don't want to walk around with them in your pockets or on your body. And if you do have them in your home, you probably want to keep them a good distance away from where you spend time. If you want to find out more about human health, you'll find it in Health Forensics. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.